Good morning, guys. I hope you're all having an absolutely amazing day. I'm so sorry about the mess behind you guys, but I just quickly shoved everything off my desk to film this video. Dashcam Owners Australia just released their September on the road compilation, and we're gonna go in and jump in and probably cringe and cry at literally some of Australia's most useless drivers. And the worst thing is, these ones here, the ones that were caught on camera, I don't know, whatever. Also today, I'm trying out my Canon M50 in 1080. Also today, I'm trying out my Canon M50 in 4K, 23 or 24 frames a second. So if you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up and we'll do more of these. Anyway guys, before we start today's video, if you do want to go into the link in the description down below, go check out Dashcam Owners Australia. They're the ones that are providing us with this just quality video that I look forward to every single month. And their crash compilations are literally just so brilliant. Definitely go give them a fat subscribe down below, and yeah, let's jump straight into it. Oi! Wait, it didn't even hit the panel. That wasn't a full send right there. Try again. Go harder. Oh, that was a full. That was a full send. Oh, okay, we're gonna go back again in the same spot. Gonna rip off that front bumper. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh! Is it an EVO right beside them too? That's sick. Whoa! Did they just hit the EVO? Oh! Your goal... Wait. Pull back onto your own side of the road, love. Why do you have to go around that way? Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. That needs to go into the Oh, mate, lost a wheel. Good old Falcon. This looks like Sydney. The worst thing, Sydney has so many crazy, stupid one-way roads. Like, especially taking my Falcon down to Sydney, it was pretty crazy. And then also Melbourne, your J-hook turns. I don't understand it. Well, I mean, all you guys are in lockdown currently, so hopefully some of you guys can explain hook turns to me in the comments. That'd be great. Oh, and the bike, and the car, and another car. Yeah, yeah, send it. Why not? He called it that, bloke. Hey, it's a sunny coast. Oh, and driving like a Victorian. Sick. He's still on the horn too. Hey, Brisbane! And... Oh my lord. If that was my car, I would have got stuck there. That's funny. Wait, fuel cap open, goes through a red light after pulling out into oncoming traffic. I don't understand. Goldie, is it? Ooh, is that like a one-wheel thing? He just absolutely ate it. Ouch. Don't get upset, bike rider. What a... What?
Don't get backwards! Don't get backwards! Just drive off!
It sounds like 100% top quality Karen in the passenger seat right there at the moment.
Just drive off.
Really?
Don't get me nose, there's a problem.
This looks like Perth or something very rural. That's cool. Oh, send it, mate. Whoa! Jeez, man. Woo! Nice little love tap there from the Merc. Goldie. Wait. Whoa! Whoever that is, I'm guessing being a falcon. Is it a falcon? Pretty sure it was. We're gonna try and get what it is. We'll find out. I'd say it's a falcon because there's a falcon over there as well. Yeah, it's a falcon. Whoever that is, if you watch my channel, I'm guessing you probably do, and I'd probably be able to find out who that is pretty easily. But you're an absolute dickhead. Why are there so many from Gold Coast? That was ridiculous. Whoa! Where did he come from? Oh, big ol' yikes. Okay. Where's that? Oh, that's in Brisbane as well. Holy, that was huge. Not gonna lie, kinda sick. Don't condone it, but sounded good. And once again, we're back in Brisbane. Literally, there are so many from Queensland. What is... Oh, how about you don't? Yeah, that'd be cool. What on earth is the go there? Oh, this looks like a beautiful road. That honestly looks like the road out to On-Song Performance. I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't. That's funny. And once again, we're back in Brizzy. God damn. Oh no. Falling asleep at the wheel. Oh, yeah, looks like it. Far out. That's like a beautiful place. Oh, the green grass. Stop doing that, please. Thank you. I wonder if the police look at these videos and whether they find people. Like, that deserves a freaking loss of license right there. Oh, did he just... He just shredded the tire. Oh, you... Oh, I mean, I guess he was just overtaking, but even still then... Surely he would have felt that before I let go. That's nuts. Whoa. Do that? Far out. That'd be great advertising for here, I'm sure of it. Nice. Whoa! He was hanging on for dear life there, god damn. Ooh, is that an XR6 with a GT wing? I saw that. That's Brisbane too, is it? Yeah, it is too. I drove through that tunnel. I'm boosting it. I've got on gate under that tunnel. Yeah, it looks so slippery. God damn. Even I worry in my Falcon about how slippery it is. It's double lines, single... Okay, I guess it's not double lines anymore, but... Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah. What an idiot. Is that a fish? What? Was that a fish? I'm so confused. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching today's video. Yeah, I really like putting forward my reaction to these things, but more so just, even though this channel is absolutely massive, literally it is one of the only channels that I look forward to every single month for their upload. I love it so much. Yeah, always me, Sarah, Max, we always have some pretty funny reactions to it, just because, yeah, it's just funny. But yeah guys, if you did like this compilation, trust me, there is so many more on his channel, so definitely go check it out. Dashcam Owners Australia, there's a link in the description down below. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.